Good day everyone, hope you're all doing well and welcome back to another video from Meetar. In this video we are going to show you a demonstration of our new feature called transcripts and translation. So this will allow live transcriptions inside the meeting for multiple speakers. Now if you look at the page on my screen, I'm at the dashboard page right now and there are three ways to create a meeting in Meetar, which is instant meeting, quick meeting and schedule meeting. So just for the briefing, we'll go with the schedule meeting where you can see the entire configuration of a meeting. Now, when you click on this button, it will take you to the meeting configuration page where you have all the options that you can set to configure your meeting. With this, there's an option which is added here which says enable meeting transcriptions. Now, make sure this option is turned on. If this is turned off, which is unchecked right now, would not allow meetings to be transcribed. So make sure this is turned on and then provide a meeting name here. For example, let's say testing transcription, and then we'll go with oops, testing transcriptions, live test for now, right? And we'll have the same description. Let me just quickly provide passcode. And with this, let me go ahead and schedule a meeting. So as the meeting is being scheduled, I would like to inform you that you're supposed to be on a paid plan with Meetar to make use of this feature. You should be on developer plan or higher plan to make use of transcriptions in a meeting. Now, as the meeting is created, let's join the meeting. So join the meeting now. Let me continue with browser. So let me, yeah, this takes me to the lobby page. Now, this page is important for transcriptions. Now, Meetar provides a support of 36 languages right now for transcriptions and 28 languages for translation. Now, if you look at this, another feature that is provided by Meetar, which is multilingual user interface, this shows you Meetar in different languages. For instance, we have a total of 108 scripts added. So basically, if I select Latina, this would basically load Meetar in Latina, right? If you see, there are a couple of buttons that are changed and it's in Latina now. Now, if I do it in, for example, uh, Farsi. So this would basically load Meetar in Farsi, right? Now let me just go back to English. Now the language that I select will be considered as the transcription language. So for instance, if I want the meeting to be transcribed in Hindi, I would have to select the language as Hindi here. And then I'm only supposed to speak Hindi as of now in the meeting. So for the demonstration, let me just select English as a language and I'll speak English so the transcripts are created here. So let me join the meeting now. Let me click on the join button. Yeah, I'm in the meeting, which is good. Now, if you see, I'm the moderator of this meeting and the CC button basically is just shown for the moderator, like the person who is moderator in the meeting. So they can start and stop the subtitles. But basically, how this works is basically when I click on CC, which is closed caption, and when I click on start transcriptions, which is this option, this CC button will be shown to all the participants. And they can turn on the CC and they can set the preference for their languages. And for example, if a participant has set the transcription language as English, and there's another participant who have set it as Hindi. So the transcription text will be generated according to their preferences. Now again, suppose I want to change the transcription language. For that, I just can change it from the meeting itself. So when you click on that, it says transcription language cannot be changed, right? It can only be changed by exiting the call and then going back to the lobby page and then selecting the language that you want to be considered for transcriptions. Okay. Now, coming back to the CC button, you see I've clicked on transcripts, which is basically turned on, and let me unmute my mic. So when I unmute my mic, my voice goes, and now the transcription comes in. And if you see, the transcriptions come in like this. If I scroll down a little, let me just select the right mic here, which is this one. Just give me a minute. Yeah. So let me select the right mic. With that, if you see my transcriptions are on, and yeah, there you go. So this is where the transcriptions are shown. These are like the live captions of the meeting in my preferred language for transcription, which is English. Okay. I can basically enlarge this dialog box. I can shorten it, and then I can move it anywhere. And this is translucent, which is good. With this, if I want to close it, then I would get a pop-up, basically a caret, which when clicked again shows a dialog box, right? Now, if you look at this, there are two drop downs. One which says English as a transcription language, and then there's another one which has a drop down to it. When I click on this, these are the options that can be used to translate your text or the text of other participants that's being generated into your preferable language. For example, I'm a English speaker, but I want I don't understand English well. I speak English, but I don't understand it well, and my native language is Hindi. So if I select Hindi, regardless of whatever text I or other participants speak, they'll be converted or translated into Hindi. If you see, the entire text are being translated into Hindi. So now, me speaking English is translated into Hindi. If there's another participant who speaks maybe Spanish, and then there's another one who speaks French, all of it would be collected and then converted into Hindi, and it would be shown against their name. So this is live translation. So we've seen live transcriptions and live translations. Now to turn it off, let me just close this. Let me click on the button again, and then this is where you turn it off. So now the transcriptions are off. And as soon as the transcriptions are off, and as soon as the meeting ends, the transcriptions are all collected, and then a file is created, and then the file is sent to you by your on your email ID. We can actually, there's another menu where you can look at the files that are being created in the transcription. So if you go back to the dashboard, there's this new menu called transcriptions. Now, if you open the drop down, there is one called My Transcriptions, which basically shows you all the transcriptions that are generated for a meeting, right? And you can view them right here. Okay, let me just view the other one. Yeah, let me just view this one. You see, there are all the transcript that comes in here, and I can download it. Or you can download it from the email link that you receive. And then there is another submenu which says transcription quota. So this basically shows the minutes that are left for you to transcribe in this particular month. So per license, we give 120 minutes per month. And basically you can see the pie chart which says the remaining minute amount and then the amount consumed, right? So make sure you not hit the quota per month, or if you do it, then the feature would be disabled because the minutes are consumed and the quota is not available for further transcriptions. Now this is with schedule meeting, quick meeting, and instant meeting. And for the personal rooms, you're supposed to basically turn on the toggle to transcribe the meeting. So for that, you're supposed to click on My Meeting, then navigate to Personal Room, and inside the Personal Room menu on the dashboard, you're supposed to toggle on Enable Meeting Transcriptions. So if this is toggled off, you wouldn't be able to create transcripts for your meeting. With this, we come to an end for the demonstration of transcriptions and translation. Hope you like this feature. Let us know about it in the comments, and thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching our tutorial. Enjoy free video conference by Meet Hour. Please subscribe to our channel to stay connected with the latest updates.